thanks for coming back and checking out another video. I picked this up earlier. I was over my kid's mum's house, and she's just recently took her stuff out of storage, and this was the padlock that she had on her storage container. So I asked if I could take it, borrow it, and just see if I could get it open. And she didn't give me the key with it, but it's got a 50mm core on it, and it is all locked up. But this is what was what was on the storage. Let's see how we get on. It says Storage King on the side, but I don't know what kind of brand it is. Ooh. Let me push that back a bit. It's only so I can get my finger underneath, and that's what I use to control the tension tool. And I'm going to go in with my pick from that I made with the handle from Wes, the copper one. I've seen he sent another one out today. It looks lovely. On Facebook I saw it. I can't remember who he sent it to, but it does look the bollocks. I think maybe Jason Carlson.
So Crystal Palace leading Huddersfield 2-0 with 2 minutes into stoppage time. So as things stand, Huddersfield are 2 minutes away from being relegated to the Championship. If Burnley and Southampton won today and Huddersfield were beaten here at Crystal Palace, they would go down. And all 3 of those scenarios are coming true. As it stands, Crystal Palace leading 2-0, moving away from the relegation zone. But Huddersfield marooned at the bottom. They were 16 points short of safety at the start of the day, and they need to score twice in these closing stages. Chance for one here. Pritchard inside Palace's penalty area, deflected shot into the side netting. Huddersfield corner, but it won't be enough. So Huddersfield Town are going down unless Brighton can come to the rescue, Tony Husband. Final minutes of normal time, and it's generally Brighton on the front foot now. And Southampton may rue that opportunity that Ryan Bertrand had to pretty much seal the game. After Højbjerg had scored the first goal, his shot was cleared off the line by Lewis Dunk. Since then, Bernardo has hit the side netting. Montoya's hit the crossbar. McCarthy has had a shot saved on the turn by Angus Gunn. And it is still Brighton pressing for an equaliser as we approach stoppage time. And Burnley doing what they need to do, John Akers, which is defend brilliantly, like we know they can. 2 banks of 4 have been so well organised, and the ball is exactly where the home support wanted at the moment. It's in the Wolves half, right by the corner flag. They lead 2-0. Oh, what a fantastic goal at Old Trafford, Eddie Butler. A wonderful goal for Watford. Finally, their slick one-touch passing has an end product. It's Doucouré with the cool finish. It was a lovely move. We've seen so many of them this afternoon. This time, though, Doucouré gets through the Manchester United defence and clips it over David De Gea. We've got a couple of minutes left here. Is it too little, too late for the visitors? They trail by 2-1. Well, Dion, I don't know how many games you've seen live this year in the Premier League, but in the games I've
There we go. That's open. Put up a little bit of a fight, but not a lot. But yeah, that's a Storage King padlock. It's not got a removable core, so I think you could probably shim this as well. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll have to give this back to her soon next time I see her.